Hello and welcome on YouTube channel of Lalbagh Girls. Myself Kirti. Today I am taking class 10th maths. My topic is revisiting rational number and their decimal expansion. In my earlier video, I had explained you a rational number and irrational number. But now I am going to explain the rational number either two forms, terminating or non-terminating repeating numbers. So the rational number mainly two types. First is terminating and second is non-terminating repeating. So the meaning of terminating means, I'll take an example to explain the terminating term, which is, so the example is 3/20. Now we can factorize 20 as 20 is equals to 2 into 2 into 5. I can write it as 2 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 1. So the value of 20 can be write as 2 to the power 20 into 5 to the power 1. So if any term having if any rational number called terminating, if the denominator are in the form, or non-terminating repeating means, the example I'll take non-terminating term. I'll take an example of non-terminating term is 1/7. We can divide 7 by 1 is 0. Taking a term 7/15. So we can divide it as we get 0.4666 and so on. So here the 6 can be repeated so many times and does not terminate or end after one place. So that's why we call it non-terminating terms. Or it can be also written as we can factorize 15 as 15 is equals to 3 into 5. So here 3 into 5 means which is also not in the form of 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n. So the terminating terms are those which is form of 2 to the power n into 5 to the power n, and non-terminating which is not in the form, called non-terminating terms. So we can easily identify the terminating and non-terminating terms by the theorem. The theorem is, first, let x be a rational number whose decimal expansion terminate, means उसका decimal expansion जो है वो terminate है, then x can be expressed in the form p upon q, where p and q are co-prime and prime factorization of q is of the form 2 to the power n into 5 to the power m, where n, m are non-negative integer. In this theorem, take a rational number x, or rational number is always in the form of p and q, and where p and q are co-prime, which is cannot co-prime. The meaning of co-prime is no common factor between them. So we will take a number that cannot be eliminate each other, or the HCF of their number is 1, and the prime factorization of q means the denominator we can factorize the denominator the form will be 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n is become a terminating expansions. So that जो डिनोमिनेटर होता है वो हमेशा इस फॉर्म में होगा, तब वो टर्म टर्मिनेटिंग टर्म्स कहलाता है. Second theorem is, let x is equals to p upon q be a rational number such that the prime factorization of q. Second theorem is, let x is equals to p upon q be a rational number such that the prime factorization of q is not of the form 2 to the power n into 5 to the power m, where n and m are non-negative integers. Then x has a decimal expansion which is non-terminating repeating. Means the non-terminating repeating expansion called if they are not in the form 2 to the power n into 5 to the power m. By these two theorems we can easily identify which term is terminating or which term is non-terminating term. So let's start. We are going to